Dear friends, welcome to Grammar Guru Peedom Plus. How do we ask about routines? What time do you wake up every day? I wake up at 6 every day. Do you wake up at 6 every day? Yes. To ask about routines, we can either use WH words like where, when, what, or do or does. Do with I and plural subjects and does with singular subjects. If you expect a detailed answer, you can use WH words. Or if you expect a yes or no answer, you can use do or does according to the subjects. Where do you usually have breakfast? I usually have breakfast in the kitchen. Do you usually have breakfast in the kitchen? No. Some days I have breakfast in the dining room. When do you go to work? I go to work at 8. Do you go to work at 8? Yes. How do you travel to school? I travel to school by bicycle. Do you go to school by bicycle? Yes, I go to school by bicycle. What do you do after dinner? I read books after dinner. Do you read books after dinner? Yes, I do. What does your mother do in the evening? My mother watches TV in the evening. Does your mother watch TV in the evening? Yes, she does. What does your friend play after school? My friend plays basketball after school. Does your friend play any sport after school? Yes, he does. What time do you usually go to bed? I usually go to bed at 9. Do you usually go to bed at 9? Yes, I do. Which question did you find the most useful? Comment below. We would love to know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.